Welcome to SK Contact Form Builder. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate Google Sheets with SK Contact Form Builder so your form submissions are automatically synced in real time. First, let's prepare our sheet. Create a new Google Sheet and give it a clear name, like Contact Us Submissions. Back to SK Contact Form Builder. Navigate to Forms. Click Edit on the desired form. Then, navigate to the Form Integration tab and select Google Sheet. Toggle Enable Google Sheet Integration. You'll see a unique service ID. Copy this ID. We need to grant Google Sheets permission to use it. Switch back to the Google Sheet. In your Google Sheet, click the Share button. Paste the service ID we just copied. Ensure Editor Access is selected. And hit Send. This allows the form builder to write data to your sheet. Copy the spreadsheet ID from the URL. It's the string of characters between d/ and /edit. Paste that into the spreadsheet ID field. Also, copy the exact spreadsheet name and paste it into the spreadsheet name field. Click Save to finalize the settings. Let's test it out. Go to your live form. Enter some test details, like name, email, phone number, add message, and submit the form. Success! Your submitted details now appear instantly in your Google Sheet.